Let's learn how we can get the New Passwords application on our iPhone. So this New Passwords app is sort of a passwords manager for our iPhone, and it will store all the passwords which we use and need on our phone. Whether those are Wi-Fi passwords, some website passwords, social media, and other, just follow my steps and we're going to learn how to get this app. The thing that we need to do in order to get this application on our iPhone is to update to the latest iOS 18 version. So Apple released this application with the new software update, which is iOS 18 at the time of recording this video. So when you do update to iOS 18, you will automatically get this passwords application on your home screen, and you can start using it right away. But what if you're already running iOS 18 and you don't see the application anywhere? Don't worry, I have a solution for that also. Maybe you had this application but you deleted the app for some reason, or maybe you've accidentally removed it and uninstalled it from your phone. Let's open the App Store on our iPhone and then type in passwords. You will then find the app that has this specific icon. You can see that the app has 3 little keys as a logo, and that's the application which you want to download and install on your iPhone. But I already have this application installed, so I can just open the app and start using it right away. The bottom line is, just update your phone to iOS 18 or later, and you will get the application for absolutely free. You can now store all of your important passwords in the app. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.